Hello, every single one of you absolutely beautiful people. Welcome to Live NFP, October 8th, 2021, here on YouTube. My name is still Eivind Vidal, and I'm still here to give you the best other markets, and this is the best market event of the month, I would say. Bada bim, boom. So, if you are ready, willing, and able to do some live NFP charts, some trading, some scalping today, that would be absolutely fantastic. Today, there is another event that is coming up today. Not another event, but for me, in my YouTube channel, finally, I have completed the strategy video that I've been trying to make for 3 long months. So good morning. I have put on my nicest clothes today because it's going to be a great day. That is what is going to happen today. It is going to be a absolutely fantastic day. So I'm going to publish that video after this live, maybe around at least after NFP, so we can focus on NFP first, and then every single one of you, I hope you will be intrigued. Hopefully you would also see that, hey, I can actually make YouTube videos. I've tried my absolute best. My wife said, now Ivan, post it. I've been awake for the whole night. I have been editing, making new stuff today. So let's see how that is really gonna go. Is that just self-promotion? Yeah, that is self-promotion, because I would say it's a big day. Everyone's been waiting for that for quite a long time now. So I'm sorry if I'm screaming, but I'm excited. It's a good day. Even though it's raining outside, it's a fantastic day. So what are we going to look for today? We're going to look for dollar bullishness if it's going to be higher. We're going to look for dollar bearishness if it's a disappointment. That is what is going to happen. And then what are you going to happen? What are you going to do? You are going to tell me what trading pairs we should focus on for NFP. What market should we focus on? Is it gold? Is it euro? Is it Aussie? Is it pound? Is it pound yen? How is the market going to react to this event? That depends on the market. That depends on the number itself, and we don't know, right? That is the most interesting thing here. Wow, Maroon Ba. Wow, you are back. Wow, that's a long time, bro. That's a long time. Have I? Okay. I'm waiting for the data. It's okay. My sells on euro, and my GU sells. So here, if it's not bad, I will sell. But okay, let's look into that. I currently still have a funny trade, and I sold it, whatever, the pound dollar. This is pound dollar. I need to go back to my settings, I would say. Then we need to go back to dark charts. First of all, then we need to go to watermarks, and watermarks need to be white. Then we can go that. Good. I still have a sell of, where is that tool nowadays, brothers and sisters? There it is. My sell is probably here. Was that a part of my strategy? Not really. Was it fun? Yeah, it's still very fun, so we shall look into that. You should look into gold buy. Yeah, I have some trouble with that. That is interesting. Gold and GU, of course, although all cross pairs, because the move will be on dollar. I absolutely agree with Mr. Investor, Abbas. The thing is, in the situation here, we have 19 people here right now. I hope there is going to be tons of people today. Why? Because this is going to be fun. I hope I have upgraded my microphone since last time, Abba. Oh, we had so much fun. Anyways, looking through your charts. I haven't looked through your charts because I've been editing. So this is fresh out of the cow. Not fresh out of the cow, but that's fresh out of the. That's not what I want to do. Watch list, maybe this one. Nope. I forgot my watch list is. That's so interesting. Anyways, let's go through dollar pairs. Dollar is actually struggling to break 94.40. Do we think that's going to happen today? Absolutely. I think so. I have a strong suspicion. But then, if it doesn't go through, well, I guess we're right then. We were hoping for dollar bearishness. No, what is it about those about dollar bearishness this week? I need to think about it twice. Yeah, dollar bearishness this week. That was true. So maybe we'll get it in the end. But yeah. So going through this week, anything important this week? No, because now we had non-farm payrolls. Hardy comes in cheap. Oh wow! Good on you, bro. How are ya? Welcome from the desert, by the way. Hope the desert still has internet and all those things. Okay, what is the prediction? Let's go through it. Right now, what we are expecting, basically, 500,000. Is that gonna, if that is on target, is that gonna create dollar bullishness if with 500,000 new jobs in America for the month of September? Maybe, maybe not. But I am entitled to say yes. I think we're gonna go there. Oh, I forgot to take on the music for you guys today. I'm sorry, but wait. We haven't. Today is today. All right, mate. So, Peter, I went yesterday and I watched some Aussie how to spell things, and what did they say? They said you're cyan, and then crocodile, and yeah, pretty good on that one. Anyway, welcome from the jungle. Yeah, if Timon and Pumbaa and whatever that guy's called from the Jungle Book at the moment, if that is what is going to happen, if that is how we're going to be today, that is okay. So let me go down to earth. How has this trading week been? Profits. Was there an unprecedented move on Tuesday? That was not great. Yes. There was a very deep pullback on yen pairs, dollar pairs that basically took me out. At profit, by the way. And I calculated that yesterday. That was 321 pips this week. I think that is okay. Previous week was 200. I think that is okay. Absolutely okay. Now, are we going to make money today? Hopefully. By the way, through this live, only what I'm going to say today is only for educational purposes. This is not financial advice. It's only my personal opinion. And whatever you do out there in this market, you have to own up to your own decisions because you are the boss. Looking sharp, Sammy. All right. Good morning, Ahmad. Loopy Loo. Good looking. What good you cock it? What? Are you in? Water? I did not say what I was saying there. Just beep it out later on. What am I cooking? Well, today I am going to release a video that you guys have been waiting for 3 months. The rules of my pivots to the public. So I guess, yes, it is the official day, 8th of October, NFP. It is Alright, so let's go through some gold, eh? What is happening on gold at the moment? Where is the gold almighty guru going? Okay, where's the trend? Where is the market situation? What are we expecting to happen today? On gold, right now, as we sit on this chair, we have gold range. I think that's pretty obvious for everyone. That is range bound. Now, it comes down to your bias. Do you want this to go higher or do you want this to go lower? That all depends on you and your bias. But right now, as we stand, I'm saying this is a very difficult approach, I would say, more than anything else. Because if we have a strong, whatever that is, it's going to be difficult to trade gold as we were at the current price. Are we going to be buying now high in the range? Well, as you might know, the market moves in waves. So what our strategy is going to be today is not to catch the first move, but if we have a clear direction with the news, if we have a clear reaction about the news, we have a very either strong or weak, there is going to be a pullback. It might not be fantastic pullback, but there is going to be a pullback. I just don't know when that's going to be, but after 5 minutes probably. That's my theory at least. Because on the 1 minute, on the 5 minutes, on the 15 minutes, there's going to be a pullback. Depends how deep it's going to be. You sure you will release it? Oh yeah, I can show you behind the scenes that there is a ready, available video. The only thing remaining is adding tags and clicking publish. Yeah, I'm sorry. That official dress code for people who work from Heartache. So where's your suit, Heartache? I know you wear shirts every single day because you are a CEO. Well, today I am the CEO of this live at least, but I am. Okay, let's go back to. Keep practicing. All right, mate. We have to go see some kangaroos and some. Well, some euro dollar. That's Aussie. Trying to. I need to keep practicing. You're right, mate. You're right, mate. I will never. Well, sorry, I haven't eaten lunch. So if that happens throughout this life, I'm sorry. But it is good. It is. What can we do? How did our live last week go? Our live last week, no, last week. Our last NFP went 9 pips in profit. I think it was good enough for a scalp. But yeah. Sure, when news comes, it moves both sides for 30 seconds. Candle. Yeah, that could be. Let's go through scenario. Scenario 1. Spike. Spike 2 directions. Spike. That's supposed to be spike. The number. Well, okay. If anyone is not understanding what I'm doing, I'm spelling 1 spike 2 one direction. 1 direction. 3 no move at all. That is the 3 likely scenarios today. I've already said it, bro. I don't know what's the matter with you, bro. I have said, but okay, on the number, I actually believe we're gonna go high. I think actually we're gonna go higher than 500,000, but that's my personal opinion. So I think, generally speaking, we are gonna be higher than anticipated. We are gonna see dollar going higher. I hope we can get a pullback and then sell it further, or sell dollar pairs further. And as you can see on this pound thing, I am I'm so in trouble. If this spikes up here, yeah, I know I'm in deep trouble at the moment. So I hope that it's going to be one thing that happens. It's just going to be boom. But I'm not at my account at the moment, but that's all. What the market is pricing in at this moment is actually a range, and they're like, well, we don't know at the moment. For NFP, the most important for NFP is actually to be trading the aftermath in the next 2, 3, 4, 5 days into a week, into 2 months. Because if it's very life-changing, we are going to have 200 to 300 pips move after NFP in the direction. And you're like, well, that's what I'm going to do. All right, so that's all right, isn't it? Farid says, when the news comes, it will move both directions for 30 seconds. That happened last time. Well, that is last time. And that is not necessarily what is going to happen every single time. Right? Sometimes it goes in one direction. Sometimes it just doesn't go anywhere at all because it's spot on. But also, do you remember, ladies and gentlemen, we have unemployment rate, which is supposed to go down to 6.9 from 7.1. So that is also another one, that is a third one that is coming in here. That is the average hourly earnings. Not that that is fantastically important, but that's a mix there that can actually equalize each other. Because if NFP goes hot and unemployment rate is like, no, that becomes like, well, what do we do now? And then people not start to think, what are we going to do? How are we going to do it? And then we'll take some time before we actually have a direction on that caught me off guard. There is a guy here that is watching my YouTube live right now doing ironing. And if there's nothing better than doing that, then yeah, do your chores, have fun, let's laugh together as well, because that guy he's funny. Will NFP impact oil as well? Let's see. Yes, it will. It will impact oil. Why will it impact oil? Because the more employed people in America will create more demand. Give or take. Is it gonna be super duper a lot on oil? No. Okay, I need to be more serious. Do I think it's going to impact oil? Yes, I think it's going to impact oil. So if you are an oil trade and you are close to stop losses, okay, that is interesting. And I said, what? I made that. When did I make that? Because I wasn't live this morning. Was I live yesterday? Because that's interesting that I did that yesterday. If somebody could tell me when I did this, that would be so interesting to see. Because I'm quite baffled that we have spot on that market. I don't want to be like backward looking. Look at me, I nailed it. But okay, anyways, I guess it went in the direction I wanted it to go in the end. So oil, you're not allowed to sell it. So if the NFP comes out hotter, hot, I believe my small prediction, my small theory in life is that that's going to create bullishness on oil. If we look into, is that 2nd of September? That is, I think that was 3rd. Okay, 3rd. That is NFP last time, and that was a disappointment, and that sent oil lower. And going into August, there was also another one there. September, October, August, 6th, Friday 6th. Friday 6th, and then that actually made oil fall again. So I guess there is maybe no reaction there. The other thing is we're high on oil right now. So bada bing, bada boom. Will dollar be strong? I believe so. Ho, 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 JJ. I'm going to be Santa Claus this year. And sure. I need to do seriousness. Gold. Okay, so currently we have at least some dollar bearishness, so that gold goes higher. What am I going to? Well, this is going to be run totally solely by dollar. So if dollar goes stronger, which I'm expecting, this is when it's going to fall. Are you enticed right now to buy gold? Hope that's your plan. I would minimally having a break. Higher high, higher low. Do remember, I still have my level up at 1780 as resistance, and that's still bearish so far. Okay? We're still thinking this is a bearish trend. But until we have broken that high, that's when we can okay, now we are going bullish again. Now we are really broken. But if you were thinking this is bullish from here, absolutely. But you should now be break even. You should now not be losing too much. And if you sold gold and you are facing the market and the market might kill your account, or you might be going to limit orders, 15 minutes left. Remember, that might not be an event you should be a part of today. I said yesterday it's going to go to 80. And we went to 79.79. Is that close enough? And my 80 is this week. So it just needs a small push higher. But I would actually consider this to be the target, by the way. I would actually consider this to be good enough. And if I have a strong market ahead of, no, a strong event ahead of me, and I'm like, well, should I be risking it for the last few pips? I don't know. Remember, there's still possibilities to catch it back down at 73 and still take it higher. There's still a ton of room left of October to bring this market higher. The other one is Nasdaq or S&P. If you have a higher number, this one's going to go higher. If you have a lower number than expected, this one's probably going to fall, at least for some minutes, and then it will catch some buyers again and go back up again. I don't know if that's going to be today, going to be tomorrow, or whatever it's going to be. Still, that's what I think. Holding gold from 77.55. That is absolutely okay. If that is within your strategy, that is a good entry. Could have been better. Could have been way better. That is just in the middle of the range. I would say that's not a good entry. But if you got it in at 47, 49, 40 something, that would be much better. Hello, Justin. Hello, Denise. Hope you're doing so well today. Hope you are in tons of profits. And pound dollar. Yes, sir. If we break 136.50 and hold above 136.50, I'm going to be buyer again. But until then, we need to wait. But yeah, sure. And if we got dollar bullishness, we're just going to continue the bearish trend. So, who knows? But yeah, what am I going to do today? I need to find my phone. Where's my phone? Oh, I forgot my phone. That's pretty standard, isn't it? So I need to run and get that one so I can trade. But what I want to say is I'm going to be reactionary. I'm not going to guess or gamble or bet that we are going to be bullish here on dollar. I'm going to see the dollar bullishness. Good morning, Denise. I hope you're doing, I hope you had a nice, beautiful sleep tonight. Because, you know, you're coming to my live and we are a community, we are family. We just wish each other absolute happiness. I know the world is not like that. I know that is very rose, gold, green. Sometimes BS, but it is what it is, I guess. I need to find my phone. So I'm actually going to run to get my phone. It's charging, so that's always fine. What else? I was supposed to find something for you. I'm sorry, guys, that I'm having a blackout here right now, but that's always fine and fun. Monetization, audio library, going into start, putting on some music, and I will be back in 2 seconds. afternoon, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to NFP Live with Ivan FX. Yes, I do have open position 1. I have sold pound dollar 2 days ago, so that was always fun. I'm in loss, of course. Probably 40 pips right now, but still a good day. Still a good day. There we are. Good. Where we go? Where did we go? Where did we go? Where did you guys go? Oh, no. Anyways, go get your phone. I got my phone. Good morning, Barbara Fricks. Good morning. So yeah. One eye there, one eye there. Alright, good. So I hope you guys have not too much risk on right now. I'm just wondering why the market is pricing in dollar weakness. Is that to lure the market? Do I expect gold to go down once the news is released? Good question. I might be enticed to say yes, because I'm expecting dollar bullishness, and I'm just gonna do that. Okay, so we have that one going in. And I normally do like a good extensive research into what happens like is it full employment? Full employment USA. Let's see if we can find that. Is that that one? That was the last NFP. Are we above COVID levels? No, we're not. So, all right. And then, are we below COVID on unemployment rate? No, we're not. So we're still struggling to get back to COVID. That's kind of what that is about, I guess. I can see that my stream is a bit late today, but that's all we can do about that. But anyways. So, for everyone who's new today, if you're wondering about me and my strategy, I do trade fundamentally, I do trade with swing trades, I do day trade, swing trade, position trade on Forex, commodities, commodities, stocks, indices. I'm gonna publish my, we have a subscriber, Umer, welcome. We need to go into, I'm going to publish my video after this live around in about 35 minutes. So if you're wondering about how my strategy is, I hope that you will see it until the end, so that more people can, it's pretty good video, I would say. I've spent 3 months doing it. Just a small disclaimer, information there. That's the only thing I'm going to sell to do today, if that is anything of a selling point. Are we expecting dollar bullishness? We are expecting dollar bullishness, absolutely. But we can be surprised. All right? That is kind of what we have. Michael, how are you? Good to see you. And Hardik, I hope you have gone and changed and brought out your nicest clothes, so we can be brothers, twin brothers today in this market. And I believe you probably bought gold, but that's just my observation. That's all. So my strategy today is to be buying the aftermath. Seems like KLM has sent me a message on your Facebook. We have changed your flight. Okay, thank you. Thank you for telling me, at least, so I don't show up and hey, there's nothing for you. Hold your horses. 5 minutes. Who was subscribing now? I didn't say it. Well, that's always. Do you more technical or fundamental analysis? What? I have fundamental analysis first. I have seasonality then I have technical. Technical in analysis is very important for me. Don't worry. but it's my 10%. I would rather read bank reports, central bank reports, what the Fed is going to do, how that affects the market, before I do any trades. And as you see in the video upcoming, these trades that I'm showing you, real trades that I've taken, is more than 200 pips each. More than 200 pips each. You sold pound dollar and USDN. Okay, interesting. Okay. So what's my pip version here on pound right now? We are at, I don't know what that is even. $14 in loss. Peh. It's pennies. Anyways, so I'm just gonna find my phone, that's all. So we need to go up there. What should I do? Trade euro, maybe? Euro is probably the one I would trade most. But okay, anyways. Muhammad says, is gold gonna fall? Oh no! Rain, rain, rain. We have both buyers and sellers of gold in this live today. So someone's gonna lose. I'm sorry, that's the market. So it depends on which horse you have been betting on today. I would probably have sold it if I was to look for any direction whatsoever. And then we have Euro USD here. That's what I'm gonna watch, and then you guys can watch that one, and we're all nice and fine. We have 2 minutes left. I'm just gonna find a lot of economic calendars so I can find, I don't know what you call it, be the first one to know. Who is the best one? Investing.com? FX Street, I'm already there. Daily FX is so slow. They are updating us in the past more than anything else. But okay, 1 minute left there on investing.com, and this is then trading economics. I think I have enough internet to make that one not be slow, but that's all. Okay, yeah, well. Why we? Oh, okay, here we are. There we are. Why did I pass through it? I don't know why I did that. But anyways, there we are. And then FX Street. All right, 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes to go. If there was anything today, I want to say good luck. Don't lose money you can afford to lose. This is like yeah, daily FX is so super slow anyways. But I can do it. There we go. Okay. Where's the time at right now? It is 33. So it is 20 seconds left to the most important live event this year, or this month for dollar. 15 seconds left. Have your positions ready if that's what you're gonna do, and we shall see if it goes in the direction we want to go. I'm gonna trade the reaction, not before. What is it? What is it? What is it? Come on! Oh, we lost! Oh, it is way lower. It is way lower. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 My pound trade. Yeah, I'm out of pound. That spiked me out. That is gonna be dollar bearishness. Wow. Okay. All right. That is straight out of the books, then, people. Where was it? Where was it? 200 and whatever thousand new jobs in America. 194,000 only. Misses spectacularly. And the unemployment rate. What? Well, okay, I was looking at the wrong one. Whew, I was looking at the wrong one. No, wait. I was looking at the wrong one. It is 4.8 instead of 5.1. Ooh, that is strong unemployment rate there. Very strong. Hourly average earnings is 4.6, the same. So what is going to happen right now? We're going to have gold higher. We have euro dollar here. We have gold here. Are we going to have a substantial move to the upside? Because we have diverging numbers coming out here, people. We have a very weak NFP. We have a strong unemployment. So we are creeping down every single time. But hey, let's look into the 30. I don't have 30 seconds, do I? Do I have 30-second candle? There you have your 30-second candle. I can't go down to 30 seconds apparently, but I can do 1 minute, I guess. That's the only thing. On euro here, we have a big spike higher. We have a pullback. Are we going to be buying that one? Should we be buying that one? Well, that's always fun, isn't it? Let's see how that goes. Just for the fun of it, 0. We have a strong euro, also a weak dollar going into the dollar index as well, just to make sure we have that one covered. We have a spike lower. Now we're coming in for the pullback. How much is that pullback going to be? That is still at 618. If you're going to trade that one, you probably won't be trading more than that. That's probably what you would like to see. And sure. Dollar coming up to 78 for retracement. Are we going to have a 100% retracement? That is absolutely a nullified. If that happens, a nullified reaction there. Some kick profits there on gold. I Biden we trust. In Biden we trust. I thought it was German. Sorry. Selling gold of 1765 and still holding buys. Nfp low, but rate is nice. That is what I would also say as well. Going into, what do you call it? Those FX3 people, they normally have like a good pullback here. And then we'll need to go into maybe... Actually, I forgot to do that. What are they called? They're called... Is that the one? That is the wrong one. And I'm looking for... Forex Johnson? No, it's not Forex Johnson. Financial juice. There it is. Please say gold levels. We are here seeing gold going higher. I wanted it to go up to 1780. And welcome. Good luck. No, good luck. Good luck. Congratulations, bro. You were right about gold going higher and going into buys. Well, that is what I would call a surprise event. More than anything else, we have 78% retracement on the dollar at the moment of the initial retracement. And Canadian unemployment change was... Forecast was 60 and it was 157. Ooh, that is strong Canadian. Strong Canadian. U.S. farm payrolls. Previous was 235 on non-farm, 194 right now. We are seeing people not really getting employed in America. And this is another nail in the coffin for Jerome Powell, because he wanted this one to be strong so they can start tapering. Right now, this lowers the tapering expectations, brothers and sisters. Lowering the tapering expectations. That is what we're seeing right now. That's why we're seeing dollar bearishness, all right? Because we are now we have been pricing in what was supposed to be a tapering decision, but now we have inflation going in one direction. We have Mr. non-farm payrolls going in a different direction, but then we have the unemployment. It also goes in the right direction at 4.8. Forecasted 5.1, previous one was 5.2. So people, that is very, very, very interesting, I must say. So someone's getting a job, but it's not through non-farm. So when I need to investigate why there's a divergence, maybe just because there is a difference in how they measure employment. Remember, a non-farm payroll is just asked a small group. It's not asked everyone. It's a focus group that's been asked. And then they generalize it, all right? So right now I have 5 pips in profit, give or take, on euro dollar buy. I don't know if I said it, but I did buy it there. Currently it's 0.01 loss. Anyways, I'm not gonna get any money out of here because this is not my main. But yeah, I'm going up to 0.6, almost a half a dollar. Maybe I should add some more there if we go in that direction I want to. That's always fun. Dollar is absolutely falling right now. Gold is going higher. We have euro going higher. We have Aussie going higher. Oh, that would be a nice buy today. What about Aussie yens? Aussie yens are not really that much moved. A bit more moved there. Canadian should be skyrocketing at the moment. It is almost going higher. And USD yen should probably fall. There we go. Look at that. Wow. That's a nice short if you short that one another day. But that's where we did go. This is crazy, says Arctic. It's not crazy. This is why we live. This is why we die. This is not, we're not dying. Does this change the sentiment and makes the market bullish in this coming week? Oh, that is an interesting question, mister. I'm entitled to see what dollar bearishness can happen this week. I'm currently 10 pips up on my euro dollar buy. That's a good scalp, isn't it? I did buy Euro USD too. Great. Oil decided to pause. That's interesting, Sammy. Thanks for $150 in profit. God bless you, and I hope you will give you some of that profit. That's always nice. No, just keep it. I hope that will keep you watching my videos longer. That hopes that give you like and comments and all those things. Only thing that I'm asking for is, please give your feedbacks when I help you out, educational wise. And if I can turn you guys around from losing money consecutively to going break even, then going up to profits, that would be absolutely fantastic. That is my joy. That is my joy. Godfather, hello boss. The difference in the employment is many people lost benefits but haven't found work. Aha. Dollar is falling, dollar is falling, dollar is falling. Oh yeah. Going into gold again. I don't want to lose your gold trades. Does this spike mean that we can start buying gold again? Is this really gold will go higher? Yes, absolutely. Gold will now continue to go higher. How long? No. I don't think it's going to pull back. Well, the pullback has happened. There's a very directional right now move. There was a spike in the beginning. I understand there was a 70% trade pullback on the dollar, but that's just for the weak ones. You thought me to trade 20 trades in a day. 20 trades in a day. I don't think I did that though. I still lose money often, but you made me less painful. I'm sorry, Michael. Michael, I'm so sorry. I don't want to hear that. Okay, but I hope you guys are having a laugh today. I hope that you are seeing that even though if you do have a losing streak, you can come to me and we can go through it, and I will be happy to help you out. All right. Only 24 likes. Well, I was wrong, and I'm happy to say I was wrong. But I am at least the NFP live session. I am entitled to say that we made money on it. That I'm allowed to say. So, can you now say, Ivan, you don't know anything about the markets? That's absolutely true. Rollin Addy says, should we go to Pound Aussie? Why should we go to Pound Aussie? It's a dollar move today. That's where the money is today, people. Alright? So if you feel like taking profit on a euro dollar trade or gold trade, that is totally up to you. Pound Aussie is falling. Okay, it went back up to some kind of resistance and then it falls. Okay, great. Because Aussie is getting strong. Look at Aussie. We have a breakout. Ooh, yeah. Look at Aussie getting the bid. Aussie getting the bid. Ooh, nice. Nice. Thanks for reminding me. I just liked your video. Thank you very much, Uhan. I'm happy that you guys are happy, okay? That's what we do. And then we made money. Though, by the way, it's only not financial advice, only my personal opinions, only my personal trading. And if you feel like, well, today didn't go well, come to me, and we'll have a chat about it, probably have a coffee about it, and then we shall see what happens next. Pound is not as strong as I would expected it to be, but okay, it's goes higher. That's always fun. Okay, pound yen. Ooh, nice. I said this yesterday. I'm absolutely 100% buying there tomorrow, and that was your entry, bros. That was your entries. So what is gonna happen now? Should we go through the markets? Or should I post my reversal strategy? I wanna poll right now, right? I want a poll. I want people to speak their minds. All right, speak your mind before my brain goes off. So what should we do? Go through the markets as normal, just leaving this NFP for some minutes and then call it a day, or should we just call it a day and then say, go look at the strategy and what else? What not? Going through dollar, boom, falling. Okay, that means Nasdaq is higher. That means Aussie dollar is higher. What does that mean, ladies and gentlemen? First of all, right now that is a low I don't want to see. We have now a higher high, higher low, bada boom, buy. Higher high, higher low, bada boom, buy. That's what is happening right now. JJ, I don't know what you mean. Say yeah too, but there we go. Euro dollar has currently made a double bottom at 1530. Not really great. I think it probably will fall back down again at the end. But that's all. That's me. But right now we have euro dollar bullishness for a candle at least. Has this reversed now? No, not at all, ladies and gentlemen. Nope. This is not reversed. I got up early, so let's go through everything. Okay, let's go through everything. I will go through everything that is on this chart. Oh yeah. Weekly. Weekly on Aussie, this is the target for this week. That is 73.55. It has been a challenging week on the Aussie dollar, but I guess we have finally broken higher. Is this going into some kind of sell for next week? Well, be aware of that at least. Sammy is personally excited to see the strategy video. Okay, we will do so. Aussie dollar, currently that was the buy this morning at London Open. Well, you were right. If you want to sell it, you probably should have sold it right here. But that's a higher high, so probably shouldn't. So there's only one thing to do. It is buy price to next week is 72.90 and 72.78. That is kind of what you're hoping for right now. That was the first buy. Get a higher high, get a pullback, and then bada bing, bada boom. Up to, what is it next week? 73.80 on Aussie. Are you bearish? Then you need to step out of the way. Euro. Coming higher. Is this a potential reversal? Absolutely potential reversal. You're thinking either we'll do down to 15.80 or 15.53. There's some corrections on the previous NFPs as well. But this is definitely your first sell opportunity. This is your second sell opportunity. So what are you going to do on oil, on euro? You're going to be very clear about what the direction is. You're not going to be worried, and you're going to be, what is my bias? Well, have you chosen? I had a friend over the other day. He asked, like, how do I choose my bias? Okay, so which side of this thing do you choose? Do you choose this side or this side? This side or that side? That's how difficult this is to choose a bias. Other than that, do I have a video on it? I'm not sure. At least I have it in my mentorship course. There is something there. There's even a PDF there, a Word document even. So there is euro dollar for you. Okay, great. Next one is pound dollar. I was wrong. I sold it. I lost money on it. Well, who cares, teddy bears? That is a buy. And then this is coming up. If this one holds, that is actually can be the potential reversal. But right now, that is not really the case. Because you're thinking this way, bada bing, bada boom. There we go. 136. Coming back to 136 is probably what you're hoping for Monday. Today, probably not. Probably not today. We can jump over to USD CAD, says Secret Box. And Canadian dollar is strong. Very strong. So what are you looking for USD CAD right now? You're looking for lower low, lower high, and you're looking to sell somewhere around 125.75 and 125.50. Are you allowed to sell USD CAD? Absolutely yes. Why are you allowed to sell? Because it's a new lower low. We have a bearish trend right now still, against all odds, I would say, this week. But okay, there we go. And I thought it was going to go higher, but hey, it is what it is. Oil went higher and all those things. So just waiting for a pullback on Monday. Are you allowed to? Yes, you're allowed to. Gold is falling right now. We can look at New Zealand dollar. Not really great. It is a pullback, double bottom, maybe a higher high, higher low situation on Monday or something like that. But this is still very weak. Dollar still has this one bearish, as we are below. What was that about? That was Forex fundamental news. What did they say? They said that following the increase in wages, the future rates of U.S. Federal Reserve rate will be fully increased until December 2022. Following the increase in wages, the future rates of the U.S. dollar reserve funds will be fully increased until December 2022. What does that mean? I need to think about that twice, actually. So that means that dollars, no, they're gonna raise interest rates. Is that what I mean? Will you trade today, Juan? I actually traded today. I don't know what you mean though, but yeah, there we go. Made some 20 pips. No, was it 20 pips on it? 10 pips on it? Yeah, 15, I guess it is. But yeah. So as long as you did not lose money on Euro USD buy, that is kind of, you know, the most important thing right now. So if you're feeling like this is a pullback or something, yeah, okay, cool. That is what it is, but it's not really bullish. It was just a volatility event right now that was fun to trade. And I went from, how much did I make? I had a bad entry. Okay. So I made 5 pips. I thought it was 15. Look at me. Why am I funny? I know. I'm being honest with you. I made 5. Well, yeah. I will still be able to trade after this news. Yes, I still think this is a great opportunity. But also, I've said wait until Monday, by the way. Yes, I have said it until Monday. Where are we now, right now? Okay, there we are. Gold. Gold is falling. Who said that? Who needs patience? Who is it? I'm gonna find you. Juan, why are you saying gold is falling? There's nothing falling here. This one is having a pullback. Come on, bro. But it actually went up to 78, yes, 77, sorry. 1777. Juan, why are you saying this one's falling? There's no red candle here. Don't be so weak. Don't be so scared. Have patience. Have discipline. Have humor. Don't be scared. Hassan says. Sorry about that. I just think I need to drink something. So sorry. 2 seconds. Mr. Hassan says, why is it difficult to trade during news? Because 1. Higher volatility. Markets moving faster in a very short span of time. Second of all, everyone knows, so they increase the cost of trading in that direction, in that moment. Okay. Thirdly, market participants leave the market before NFP so that they can see how it goes and then they can trade the aftermath. The reason why there's so much volatility around NFP, because it's computers doing it. But those who are in it or in the market already break even. So that's why you see dollar pairs hitting profits early in the week, which didn't happen this week, so that they're getting out of the market before it happens. So, low liquidity, high movement, mostly by robots. Thirdly, everyone knows the cost goes up and the spread goes up, and since there's low liquidity, price has to go further to find buyers or sellers depending. Okay? It's like you trying to buy tomatoes, but there's very few tomato sellers at the moment. That means you need to go further to find a tomato seller. That's how we see this. I have to learn with you, sir. I'll go ahead and click notifications. Nice. Hassan says, when is it better to enter? When there's no event. When this morning. Let's go through some charts I've done this week, okay? Let's go through my actual trading that you guys actually know I did, okay? So, what's wrong with this music today? This is like an alarm or something. Anyways, so, okay, fair enough. This is a buy. This is a buy. This is a buy, but that's why I exited, because that fall is greater than what I would say, but now it's higher, so look at me being stupid here. This is normal market conditions. This is normal market conditions, and sure, this is potentially a bearish trend. Now we have a higher high, now we are going to add it again. That is where you make your money. How much money was it? 148 pips, I think it was in total on one of my orders. The other one was 120. That wasn't that one. There was another one, 120. And then it was one that's 48 or something. Okay, cool, great, fantastic. How do you trade the market then? Monday to Friday, not on NFP. What are you going to do next on Monday? We're going to trade Monday. We're going to trade Tuesday. We're going to trade maybe tonight if we get a good pullback. That's all. Is that day trades? Yes, that's day trades. Is that swing trades? Yes, that's swing trades. Do I try to make those ones overlap and make those actually be the same thing? You can scalp this thing. How do you know, Ivan, that you can actually scalp this thing? Okay, let's go and look. Okay, my buy entry. Buy entry. Buy entry. Well, now today I should have been in buy entry too. This one didn't reach, but I took it on Friday, so I guess. This one reached it. Okay, I got that. And I didn't buy here because I knew it was going to fall. I was anticipating and I didn't want to be in there. So there is some daily pivots that you guys can access through this video I'm going to publish in 5 minutes. Going to the moon. Going to the moon. Spread is high. Spread is high. Everything is, well. But I want to trade NFP. Well, that's the cost of trading. What's going on with Shiba? What is Shiba? Is that a coin or something? Crypto. Of course it's crypto. I don't know. Pretty interesting, eh? Do you make money there? Or you sold it? No, Oxeliani no loves, just subscribe. Thank you very much. I'm actually going to be out of here. Gold is going higher. Euro is going higher. Dollar CAD is falling. Catch the next pullback. And let's see you on Friday. I'm going to go over and I'm going to publish. So please make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'm not going to say in that video because I want you to do it here. Okay? Have fun. Tons of profits. We made $5 on this live event. It is what it is. The 5 pips, sorry. It is what it is. But I would rather make my millions in the week rather than an NFP. There we go. Have a good day. Boom.